Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brendo, and I want to thank you so much for choosing to watch this tutorial on Never Lost by Elevation Worship. And this tutorial is very much beginner friendly, okay? So if you are a beginner, definitely subscribe to this channel because all my content is catered to you guys, okay? And also check the link in my description box because I have something that I've been working on for you guys. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. This song is in the key of E flat major. And this is our E flat major scale. And referring to the number system, this is E flat is going to be our 1. We're going to refer to our F as 2. G is going to be 3. A flat is going to be 4. B flat is 5. C is 6. D is 7. And back to our 1 again. Now make sure you are familiar with the number system. Try your best to learn it. And I also teach the number system in my piano course. So make sure you check the link in the description box to sign up to see when that course drops. Alright, so this song starts off on the 1 chord, which is our E flat major chord. Okay, so I'm gonna show you again. This is our verse. This is verse 1. So goes when you move. Such an easy thing for you to do. Your hand is moving right now. So this is our 1. And in my right hand I'm playing E flat, G, and B flat. Left hand I'm playing E flat and B. This is our E flat major chord. Our second chord, this is our 7 chord. Okay, this is going to be our 5/7, which means it's going to be a B flat over a D. Okay, so my right hand, you're gonna see I'm playing a B flat chord. Right, if I were to invert it, it's still a B flat. And left hand, so right hand I'm playing D, F, and B flat. Left hand I'm playing D and B flat, okay? So again, the first chord, miracles when you move. It's such an easy thing for you to do. Here's our third chord coming up. This is a C minor chord. This is also our 6. So right hand, C, E flat, and G. Left hand, C, and G. I typically like to play my C minor chords like this, which is the C minor 7. Okay, so you can either play like this or you can add the 7. And if you take a closer look, you see the only thing I'm adding really is this B flat right here. Okay, because the C is duplicated, the E flat is already here, the G is duplicated, so by me moving my hand up I get to add this B flat note right here. It gives it a smoother sound. I typically like to play this way. If you don't want to use that one, it's fine. So again, miracles when you move. It's such an easy thing for you to do. Your hand, here's our next chord, is moving right now. All right, so what chord is this? This is going to be our A flat major chord. Right hand I have A flat, C, and E flat. Left hand I have A flat and E flat. All right, from the beginning. Miracles when you move. It's such an easy thing for you to do. Your hand is moving right again. You are still showing up. So let me show you what I did. Instead of going back to this chord, I just brought the register down just a little bit lower. So when you move, such an easy thing for you to do. Your hand is moving right now. It's just another way to add some dynamic to your playing. So you're still showing up at the tune of your lives are us. not really sure what the words are. Same thing again. And here's where the chords change. When I say right now, so right now, I know you're able. My God, come through. So this is our 2 chord. This is our F minor chord. We're referring to it as the 2 chord. Right hand I have F, A flat and C. Left hand I have F and C. Right now. And this is our 3 chord. So this is really technically a 1/3. The 1 is in our right hand, the 3 is in our left. So the 1 is going to be our E flat major chord. The left hand is going to be G and E flat. As you can see in my right hand, the E flat is inverted. This is its simplest form. I inverted it twice, so now I'm here, okay? So right now, I know this is our 4 chord. We know this chord already. This is our A flat major. My God, come through again. And we're back to this 5 again. B flat major chord. B flat, D, F, left hand, B flat and F. Okay? So back from the beginning. It's moving right now. You were still showing up at the tune of every beat. Here it is, 2, 3, 4. And now we made it to the chorus. You can do all things. You can do all things but fail. I'm gonna stop right here. Okay, so this is our 1 chord. You can do, back to the 7 again. You can do all things. So this chord, this is a little bit different from what we were playing already. This is really a gospel progression. Okay, so this is what it 5, 1, 4. This is 5, 1, 4 progression. So in my right hand, I'm playing a D flat major chord. So if we're talking about the number system, this D flat major chord is not in the E flat scale. This will be considered a flat 7. Okay, so this flat 7 is going to be in our right hand, and then we're going to play the 5 in our left. Okay, this gives a real nice gospel feel. So again, you can do 6. Here it is passing. 5, 1, 4, never 3. You never lost 2. 3, 4. You never 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Back to the verse. Okay, so make sure you time that correctly, because the version that Elevation does, there's a break, right? So never 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Things possible. Okay, so that little run. Okay, everything's back to the verse. Okay, so I'm gonna fast forward to the second chorus, because that's where the song changes. Okay, so when we get to the second chorus, the chords do change just a little bit. I'm gonna show you that. So the first chord is the same. You can do all things. So now the passing chords change a little bit, okay? So instead of just going from the 1 to the 7 to the 6, we go from 1, 7, 3, 6. That's another gospel chord, okay? So this 7, instead of just doing like this, you're gonna add this C right here at the end. Well, actually, you're gonna have a D, right hand D, F, A flat, and C, right? And then the next chord is going to be our 3 chord. Your right hand is going to look a little different as well. Right hand, you have D, F, G, and B flat, okay? So I'm gonna toggle back and forth between those two. Make sure you pay attention. 7, 3, 6. Okay? So again, you can do all things. Here's the next chord. Instead of doing this, we're gonna add this note right here and make this a D flat major 7 in our right hand. Okay, so I'm sorry. Same progression, just a different extension of this note right here, okay? So again, this is for the second chorus and on, because the chorus changes from the beginning, the first chorus, and then the rest of the choruses, they use this chord pattern, okay? So again, you can do all things. You can do but fail, cause you never lost a battle. No, you never lost a battle, and I know you never will, okay? Over and over again. This is pretty much the song. Okay, so now the last part we need to learn is the ending where they're saying, you never lost a battle. Never lost a battle. Never lost a battle. You never will. What are we doing? That's 2, 3, 4. Okay, and that's over and over again up until you can do all things. That's the whole song right here. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you check the link in my description box. Like, subscribe to this video, subscribe to this channel, like the video, and also share this video with somebody you know who's also trying to learn piano. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.